Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the conjugate of binomial surd. We already have covered what is surd and its type. So first we will recap it. Surds has two types like monomial and binomial. We already made a video on it. You can see that video. It will show in the card. So like monomial is the surd which has one terms of a radical sign, just like this one. This is monomial surd because it has one term. If we talk about the binomial term, so it has the example of two terms in an expression, just like we can say root 3 and 17. It's also a binomial surd because it has two terms. It can be say like this one. We can say like this one. It's also a binomial surd. So these are the example of binomial surd. Now we will see like if we have conjugate of binomial surd. So how we will solve both of them. So first we will say like let's suppose we have root a plus b root c. This is binomial surd expression. This is called binomial surd, right? And if we have multiplication sign and we have conjugate of this binomial surd, just like this way. So how we can solve this surd? This is also a binomial surd, but it is the conjugate of first surd, right? So now we will see like how we can solve both of them. So we will apply here a formula which we already have covered. A plus b multiply a minus b. If we have these type of expression or these type of terms, so we will apply here formula is a squared minus b squared. So this is if we simplify these expressions, so we will get the answer, and this is the answer of that conjugate of binomial surd. So let's see some examples here. We will follow our book syntax class 9 syntax book of maths. So you can follow any other book, but the method is same and question is different maybe. So we will follow here class 9 okay friend, we have here three questions. We will solve all of these questions from using above method. So first we have the question is root 3 plus root 11 and multiply by root 3 minus uh, root 11. So these are basically binomial surds. This one is one binomial surd and this one is other binomial surd. But the main thing is both are conjugate, like both are conjugate. Why? Because they have different signs. Both expression have different signs. So what we can see here, we will solve it using above formula, which one is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So what we do here, we do here, write this formula, root 11. This one is squared, and we will here give formula so that examiner can see like this one is the how we can solve it. Like root is cancelled by square, so either here is 3 and this square is cancelled by 11 minus 11, and if we will minus both of them, so we will get the answer is 11 minus 11 plus 3 is minus 8, right? So this is the answer of this question, right? So this is very simple. You can use this method in any question which are related to conjugate of binomial surds. So now we will get another example. Now we have another example. So this one is A plus B and A minus B, right? Now we will solve it by using above method like root 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. And we will give example of this um, formula here, right? Now we will solve it. We will make one root here. We will do the division method here. Division of third like this way. We can simplify this one. And after that, we will get cancelled by 2 upon root 3 minus 1 upon 3, right? I think we remove this question. Now we will simplify this one. Here, we will apply the division of third. What is division third? Is we will make one root and write both numerator and denominator in the root. Like this one, this is square minus root 1 upon 3, right? So now we can simplify this. Square is cancelled by root, and now we get 2 upon 3, and here also 1 upon 3. Now we will take LCM of it. 3 is common, so we will get 3 answer, and 2 minus 1, which is 1 upon 3. So this is the answer of this question, right? Now we have another question, which is this one. So we will simplify this using above method. Now it is A minus B and A plus B, right? Now we will simplify both of them using same formula, 3 root 6 whole square minus 4 root 5 whole square, right? Now we have 3 3s are 9 and 2 is cancelled by square. Now we get 6 answer here, and 4 4s are 16, and we will get here 5, right? Now we will multiply both of them. 9 multiplied by 6 is 56, 54 minus 16 multiplied by 5 is 80. So 80 minus 54, 80 minus 54, 26, but we have the sign is minus with big term. So we have the sign is 80 with minus sign. So we will get the answer is minus 26. So this is the answer of this question, right? So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand that how we can solve the conjugate of binomial surd. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel and like and share our video so that you can benefit of all our new videos. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.